Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money from 1xBet in Bangladesh. To achieve this, it's quite simple. Before we continue, I will advise you to create a professional 1xBet account. To achieve this, you go to registration, choose a registration method of your choice by phone, fill in your informations, then at the level of promo code, type Chelsea TV. This promo code gives you a 300% bonus at your first recharge, which implies that if you put in 10,000, you get 40,000. First, go to registration, then choose a registration method of your choice. Then, once that is done and you've seen this interface, fill in the different fields asked to you, especially the one with promo code, where you are going to type the promo code Chelsea TV. Once this promo code is entered and you've registered, you're going to get a 300% bonus at your first deposit, which means that if you deposit 10,000, you are going to get 40,000. This is the first method to earn money on 1xBet. The second will be to bet on any event of your choice. Predict the outcome of an event like this match of Real Betis against Villarreal. Predict the outcome of this match and bet on this outcome, and you are going to get money from the outcome you've predicted.